So what's up everyone, and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. If you want to add a Google form directly to your Wix website, you can embed it so visitors can fill out without leaving your site, and here's how. Firstly, open Google form you want to add to your website. Then click the three dots in the top right corner and select Embed. Google Forms will show an embed window with an iframe code. Copy the entire code and go to your Wix website editor and open the page where you want the form to appear. Click Add Elements, then choose Embed Code and select Embed HTML. Paste your Google Forms embed code into the HTML box and resize the element so the entire form fits properly on your page. Just click Preview and test the form to make sure visitors can complete and submit it correctly. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this.